Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions on the December 2016 paper. We'll be solving the general aptitude questions which came in the life sciences and the physical sciences paper. So let's start off with the question. The question is that OA, OB, OC, OA, OA, OB and OC are the radii of the quarter circle as shown in the figure. Now AB is also equal to the radius. So what is the angle OCB? This is the angle OCB that has been marked as the question mark over here. That is the angle OCB that we need to find out. Option A 60 degree, option B 75 degree, option C 55 degree and option D 65 degree. So these are the options that we have been given. Now it has been given that OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, which is equal to the, and also AB is also equal to the radius of the circle. So therefore we can say that in triangle OAB, OA is equal to OB and that is equal to AB. And if three sides of a triangle are equal, so that implies that triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. So if it is an equilateral triangle, that implies that angle OAB is equal to angle ABO and that is equal to angle AOB, and all these angles are equal to 60 degree. All these angles are equal to 60 degree. So therefore now if we try to find out angle BOC, so BOC, as you already know that this is the quarters angle. So angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. Since angle AOC, let me write down, since angle AOC is equal to 90 degree, is equal to BOC is 90 degree minus angle AOB. So this gives us that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. So this is what we found out. Now in triangle BOC, OB is equal to OC. It is already given. They are both equal to the radius. So that implies that triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle. So if it is an isosceles triangle, that implies, and OB is equal to OC, that implies that angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. So therefore if we now try to find out the value of this angle, so now here angle OBC plus angle OCB plus the angle BOC, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Now we know that angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. So we can write OCB plus angle OCB, and BOC we have found out that it is equal to 30 degree, and the overall sum is equal to 180 degree. So that implies that twice of angle OCB is equal to 150 degree, and that implies that angle OCB is equal to 75 degree, which is nothing but the option B. Option B. So option B over here is the correct option. So today we have solved question number 6 from the general aptitude question paper of December 2016 CSIR UGC NET. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.